can chiropractic help vertigo?
Yes, it can. We have a whole protocol to work with vertigo. We've helped plenty of cases of vertigo. In fact, some of them are on our YouTube channel. Vertigo can be a variety of issues, and sometimes it's misclassified. Sometimes it's just positional. This is why the case history really matters. Is it a low blood pressure issue or is it true vertigo? It might be an upper cervical issue. It might just be their positioning. It might be in their cerebellum. We really got to figure out what their vertigo is and then address it at its cause. Funnel diagnosis, drilling it down to what is the real issue, is crucial in vertigo.